Hey guys, today we are going to talk about how to collaborate with brands. Did you know there are brands out there looking for someone just like you, and they want to work with you? They want to send you free stuff. And in a lot of cases, they're even willing to pay you. That's right, these brands are out there, they're looking for you. They're not just wanting you to do a review, they're willing to send you free stuff and pay for an excellent Amazon shoppable video. I'm Greg. I'm a content creator, I'm an online host, and I am an Amazon influencer. This channel is dedicated to helping people find income streams that work for them, income streams that work for you. I'm here to help you in any way that I can to generate an income stream that works for you. In this video, I'm going to walk through how to connect with brands, because you can. And like I said earlier, they're out there looking for you. All we need to do is make that connection. I'm going to explain how you get free stuff, and I'll explain how you make money doing this. But before we go any further, I'm asking you to do me a favor. Subscribe to this channel so that you know when new great content drops, new great content to help you find income streams that work for you. Also, I ask that you like this video. It helps me know that this kind of content is helpful for you so that I know which content to create to help you. All right, so when I started Amazon Influencer, I reviewed everything that I could find. I mean, if it wasn't bolted down, I was picking it up and reviewing it. If it was bolted down, I'd go grab the camera, go right to the thing, and review it. I mean, I tried to find everything I could to review. I looked at the idea of buying stuff to review, but that appeared like it'd get really expensive really quick, and I needed to know which products I would make money on, because if I spent money on a product, I needed to make my money back, plus make a profit. So this wasn't exactly the most appealing method to me to just go buy random stuff. Now, there are some online tools out there that will help guide you towards stuff that may be more profitable, but I still thought there was a better way. Then I thought, if I could buy it, I wonder if a brand will just send it to me for free. Well, if I can buy it, they already have it. They probably want a review anyway. Maybe they'd send it to me for free. Worth a shot, I guess. After I started getting free stuff, well, then I thought, maybe they'll just pay me to review it. I mean, this is a valuable service to them. They need the reviews, and I'm willing to provide reviews. That's something that's worth money. So, here's where we go. Let's get started. The first way to get free items is in Creator Connections. Amazon already has a tool to connect you with a brand. So if you go into your affiliate.amazon.com, I think is what it is, account, where your reports normally are, switch over in the top right-hand corner from your on Amazon to your off Amazon store ID. So change your store ID to off Amazon. All right, once there, click on Promotions. Once on Promotions, click on Creator Connections. Now here's where there's a bunch of brands looking for creators just like you. These guys are actively looking for you. So what you can do in here is a lot of these postings that they have in Creator Connections, the default description says that they will not provide samples. Well, one of the reasons they do this is they're trying to avoid people coming into Creator Connections just trying to get free stuff, but not be a valuable return for them. So all you need to do here is message that brand. Right inside Creator Connections, you can message them, and you can say you'd like to do a review of their product and ask them, are they willing to provide a sample? Most of them will agree to send you free products, free samples of their product to review. Great. You just made a connection with a brand, they sent you a product happily, and you're able to review that product. This is the easiest way to get free products. maybe the second easiest way, because I've got another really easy way coming up. Now, some of these brands just won't respond. They don't even know there's a message board in there. They're not paying attention to the message board in there, so don't get discouraged if they don't respond. And the ones that do respond, they're usually not really quick, because they're not just sitting there watching these messages. And these message boards are hard to get to. They're not the easiest thing. Like I described the pathway to get there. Well, they have to follow a similar pathway. It's just not on their radar to sit on these message boards waiting for your message. So be patient, but know that a lot of brands will send you free product just because you asked. The second way, use a content creator job board. There's brands out there on job boards looking specifically for content creators, and there are job boards just for content creators. So these brands are going to these job boards, they're posting their request. I've got product X that I would like reviewed, and here's what we're willing to provide. They will almost always provide free product, and most of the time they'll outline how much they're willing to pay for the review. Now we're getting somewhere. Now we're getting the free product and getting paid for it. The job positions are going to outline the details of the job, the product that they want reviewed, the time frame that they want it done in, and any special requirements that they have for the review. To do jobs on job boards, there are several of them out there. I have personally used Join Brands to connect with brands on Join Brands who are looking for content creators. Each job board is set up a little bit different. Some of them have minimum entry requirements. Some of them have no requirements. So you can just search around, find ones that work for you. I will leave a link in the description below for Join Brands, which is the one that I used when I was getting started with the job boards. The third way to get free items and get paid is when a brand reaches out to you. Now, I said the first way is the easiest. This one might be the easiest, but there's a caveat because you need to negotiate a little bit here, which may change the difficulty rating, if you will. All right, so if you're consistently posting great reviews, great review videos, brands are going to find you and they will start reaching out to you. I have brands reaching out to me every single day. Without fail, I will get requests every day. Weekends, days, nights, it doesn't matter. I'm getting emails asking for product review videos. So I simply reply back with an email that says I'd be happy to review their product for $100. Sometimes I write some niceties in there about their product. I look it up. But generally what my email says back is, yes, I will review your product, but you need to pay me money. Often they will then reply back and say, I have a budget of $20. That's almost always what it is. I have a budget of $20. Will you review it for that? Well, you can choose to accept the $20, or you can reply back, nope, my fee is fixed, or negotiate higher. Whatever works for you. But I encourage you, $100 is not a lot of money to ask for your time and effort here. So if it's a product that's worth reviewing and it's worth putting your time and effort into it, it's worth being paid properly for that as well. So remember, in this negotiation process, they reached out to you. You didn't reach out to them. Free products have no value to you because it wasn't a product you were looking for to begin with. So there's no value to getting a product that you didn't need, you didn't want, and you weren't already in the market for. If a brand is unwilling to pay for the review, they most likely also don't have any sales volume. If they don't have sales volume, there is no commission return on posting it to an Amazon shoppable storefront. Because if a product sells on Amazon shoppable videos, you make commissions. But if it's a product that's not selling, you won't even make commissions on it. So now, if you don't get paid and don't get commissions, you get nothing except you gave up your time, energy, and effort to review something that had no return. So it's important to make sure that you're making a good amount of money for what you're doing. You are providing a valuable resource, you are doing a job, and none of us would go work for somebody for free. So remember, you are worth something and what you are doing is worth something. So when a brand emails you, know that they're actively looking for you and you are worth something. So negotiate a fair deal for both you and them. Now, the fourth way that we are going to talk about in this video is reach out to brands directly. That's right. Like I said at the beginning of the video, brands are actively looking for you. They might just not know who you are yet, but they want you. To reach out to a brand, you simply need to find some way to contact them. You can try their website. Smaller brands, you'll reach the right person fairly quickly. Larger brands, that may be a little more difficult. You can use their socials. Their socials may have contact information there, or you can message them directly in their social media feeds. If they're active on social media especially, the person who's managing or the team who's managing their social feed will probably be able to route you in the right direction. So reach out to them directly on their social media accounts. Message them and let them know that you would like to review their product. Explain that this is what you do and you'd like to offer a review for their product. Ask them to provide a sample for you for the review. Most brands will reply back, but not all of them do. Some of them either don't monitor their contact forms, they don't monitor the way that people reach out to them. So a lot of them who don't respond didn't even know you reached out. So don't get discouraged about this. Some brands don't understand the value of an influencer. Most really do understand the value of an influencer. So when a brand doesn't reply back, don't worry about it. It's okay. It's not you, it's them. Now, anytime you've completed a review for a brand, make sure you reach back out to them. Send them the links to the videos that you made. Let them know that you've completed the task that they asked you to do or the task that you agreed to do. By doing this, you're going to create an open loop of communication here. Most brands who have decided to work with you will want to work with you again. So this is important because if you close this loop here, letting them know you've completed the task, now they know that you're reliable and they're more likely to want to work with you again. Don't make them work hard to find out if you've completed the task yet. Make sure you've done it in a timely manner. Make sure you also let them know that you enjoyed working with them and you would like to work on future projects with them as well. So we've already talked about this, but let's refresh a little bit. Brands are looking for you. They know the value of influencers and they're looking for a great influencer just like you. Brands are very willing to send free products to get great reviews with. Brands are also very willing to pay for those great reviews because they know the value of an influencer and the value of having reviews posted. If a brand will not pay, they most likely don't have sales volume, so you would be doing a review for nothing if you agreed to do a review for no money. So know what your worth is and understand there's value exchanged here. You're exchanging the value of reviews and they're exchanging the value of dollars. All right, do you want to chat with me? You are more than welcome to chat with me. Are you struggling with figuring this all out? I am here to help you in any way that I can. That's what I'm here for, to help you. I left a link down in the description. You can click that link, find some time on my calendar that works for both of us, and I will gladly chat with you to help you in any way that I can. I want to help you find income streams that work for you. Don't forget, subscribe to this channel so you know when new great content drops. That way you can find great income streams that work for you. Also, leave a comment. Let me know what brands it is that you want to work with. Let me know what your goals are. And I'm happy to review those and help you find ways to reach those goals. Thanks so much, guys. I hope you have a profitable